3, 2, 1. Oh! So
We completely
exploded. Oh, look at the tow truck! The tow truck! Oh!
This is what's left of the mail truck.
This is what is left of the fire truck. We got exploded the fire truck. In the sky, got
the Lego car, the Lego fire truck exploded. Please stop making the damn worse. Wait, don't do anything. We gotta just find all the pieces.
Here's another guy that got hurt.
No, don't do anything. Just find all the pieces.
Let's just do the tow truck. Here's the fully aftermath.
This is what the tow truck looks like.
And here.
No, we're not doing the aftermath. And this is what the mail truck looks like.
This is what the
fire truck
looks like. I already showed that, Eric. Oh, here's the aftermath of both of the vehicles. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.